So it looks like Quant QNT has officially become a stablecoin. It has been trading within the same range for the past 2 years, and many influencers have generally stopped talking about this coin because of how bad it is performing. Everyone has left the boat except for one guy, and that is me. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be giving you an update on the Quant QNT price in the long term. I'll be telling you guys what exactly are my current expectations and thoughts in the market for Quant QNT. Is there any hope left for the Quant QNT price? Can we still pump towards the upside and smash these targets? Or are we essentially bound to fail and disappear among the crypto ranks? So we have a lot to discuss in today's video, and you definitely don't want to miss this Quant QNT update I have for you guys. So pay close attention because we're going to be talking about the longer weekly time frame for Quant QNT. So yeah, today we are inside the weekly time frame, and if I were to be completely honest with you, the price action of Quant QNT has been performing terribly right here. If you have invested into Quant QNT around July or August of 2022 right here, and you fast forward to today, we are still, as a matter of fact, at the exact same level, and you would have no profits at all, but also no losses. So it's not bad, but you have invested essentially into a flipping stable coin, honestly. I'm going to be real right here. It is a stable coin. It looks like it is turning into XRP 2.0, and this is the problem of essentially marrying a coin. Like, we have the XRP army over here still shilling their bags, but the problem with XRP is it hasn't surpassed its previous cycle all-time high. Now for Quant, the problem here is it has turned into a complete stable coin, and if you put 100% of your crypto investments into Quant QNT, you would have missed out on a lot of other projects that have done multiples already, such as Fetch AI, we have BitTensorTau, we have the AI narrative, the gaming narrative, we have Vanry. A lot of these coins have already done multiple X's, 3X's, 5X's returns on investments, but Quant has performed really badly. Many people are saying do not sell your Quant QNT because a pump or a big move is imminent, and the longer the consolidation, the greater the move towards the upside. If you sell right now, they said it's going to be absolutely foolish to sell right now. That's their thoughts, that is their opinion. But today, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts, my honest opinions, and I know some of this might piss you off, but I'm going to be real with you guys. I'm going to be absolutely real. I don't care anymore. I don't care if I get haters for this. I'll tell you my honest thoughts about the Quant QNT price. If this pisses some of you off, then good. Comment down below what pissed you off, but my goal in this video is to be real with you guys, because I know some of you are wondering what is going on with the Quant price. Well, we're going to be discussing about that. So this is why, first of all, I preach in my channel the importance of diversification. If you follow me on my other socials, if you follow me on Twitter or x.com, you can see that I don't only hold Quant QNT, I hold a ton of other cryptos. I hold a lot of cryptos, honestly. I hold many cryptos from hot AI narratives. I hold a lot of coins from the hot AI narrative. I hold a lot of coins from the gaming narrative. I also hold some DPIN and real world assets cryptos. And I am heavily diversified, and I'm not married into a coin. If I see a coin performing badly for a few months already, I cut them off. I remove them from my portfolio. And yes, some people may say that if they pump, then I have missed out on the gains. But I don't care, because I could just jump back into the ship. Let's say my crypto has been stagnant for some time now. I jump ship, I move my funds into other cryptos, they pump, and then we see my old crypto pump as well. I just jump back into the ship and enjoy the profits and leave the ship. That's what I do. And I know, yeah, some of you are hodlers, you hold this to the moon, you have diamond hands, but if I were to be real with you guys right now, diamond handing doesn't work in the crypto market, honestly. It works if you are investing to solid projects, and if in the short term you're seeing shakeouts happen. Of course, you have to diamond hand shakeouts if you believe in the potential it has in the future, but at some point you have to sell eventually. If you're seeing it perform so badly for like 2 years now, such as Quant, if you're seeing it lag behind multiple or several other altcoins, let's open up the Fetch AI chart. I'm going to be showing it to you right now. FET USD T. You guys can see it right here. Look at the chart of Fetch AI. If you invested into if you invested into Fetch AI right here, or even right here, look at the return on investment right here. It broke above its previous all-time high. It has done multiple X's already, and essentially you could be taking profits right here. This is what I'm saying. Do not diamond hand the coin. Take profits once you have, once it has already done multiple X's. That's when you sell. Once you're in profits, it's a time to incrementally get out of your positions. Diamond handing doesn't work, unfortunately, guys. I mean, it works right here. Let's say you invested into Fetch AI right here. It pumped and then it dumped hard. Of course, this is a foolish time to sell, in my honest opinion, because if you believe it's going to be performing well, then why would you sell too early? You should just wait, diamond hand it right here, and then once it does multiple X's on your investment already, this is where you should be looking to incrementally exit out of your positions. And once you do see Quant QNT start to perform well, that is the exact time when you could just jump back into Quant QNT. So people are saying that, why would you sell Quant QNT when it's about to pump? The problem is we can't predict the future. It can just continue moving sideways for the next couple of months and do nothing. And if you didn't sell right here, you could be essentially, your portfolio could be lagging badly against other crypto assets, because many crypto assets have already done multiple X's. If you follow me on Twitter, you can see all of the cryptos I've invested into have already done multiple X's. I'm in great profits right now, and I could just jump back right into QNT, go all in right here if it does pump, in case we do see Quant QNT start to actually move right here. If we do see bullish structure, I could just jump back right into Quant QNT with more Quant QNT than before and enjoy the profits as well. So lesson number one, do not marry a crypto. Do not marry your coins. You should be switching coins from time to time. That's my personal view, and that has led to me getting insane profits in the market, honestly. If I diamond handed this Quant QNT coin since right here, because I got into Quant right here, I'm probably one of the first guys who got into Quant early during the bear market. I got in right here when it was trading at around $70, and I rode this wave towards the upside. I did not sell, and it crashed, and it did this sideways movement. And yes, essentially, I exited around somewhere over here. I slowly exited out of my positions over here, and now I'm left with very little Quant QNT. Just follow me on Twitter. You guys can see what coins I'm getting into. You can see how many coins I'm invested into. And yes, if Quant QNT decides to pick up momentum, I would just jump back right into Quant QNT. So there's no problem. I'm not married into any coin. I could just jump back right into Quant if it does decide to pump, and I could enjoy the profits, and I could actually hold more QNT than I did before, because I already have made insane profits right now. That's the thing most people do not understand. They're saying, do not sell Quant, diamond hand this to the moon. But the problem with that is, without diversification, you're risking your portfolio against the entire crypto market, because many coins have performed well already for the past couple of months, except for Quant QNT. And if you went 100% into this Quant QNT coin, you have essentially missed out on some potentially insane profits in the market, because one thing, Quant QNT is also not, in my opinion, it's not in a hot narrative at the moment. It's not a hot narrative, and that is why we're seeing it lag behind. But for my thoughts, though, I believe that Quant QNT at some point would perform, and it would smash these targets. I'm still feeling bullish for the Quant QNT price, but the question is, when will we see that massive move towards the upside? Because it looks like it's taking so long right here. That's the thing. That's important. That's why it's important to diversify, because if you're not diversified, you are risking your entire portfolio. That's why you have to put 20% into this coin, 20% here, 20% there, and diversify, because if you're 100% into this coin, you are risking everything, and you could potentially get left sidelined in the bull run. Now, of course, yes, this can pump. The coin can pump immediately. It can go moon tomorrow, and that's when I could just jump back right into Quant QNT, no problem, and hold more QNT than before. Now, for my expectations, yes, I believe that Quant QNT could still perform well. I believe that we could be seeing Quant QNT smash its previous all-time high, and that's at around $400. I believe that it is gonna happen. I mean, yeah, I think it's gonna happen. I believe it's gonna happen still. I believe that in the bull market, essentially, all cryptos are gonna pump. Just like what happened last cycle. I have been here last cycle. I saw every single coin pump to the moon. No coin has been left behind except XRP, but every coin has essentially pumped to the moon. And I believe that Quant QNT would have its time as well. But for now, it is important to stay diversified, because in case we still see Quant QNT perform badly in the next couple of months, at least you are diversified. At least you're holding other coins that would perform well and give you return on investments, unlike this coin right here, which is performing absolutely terrible for the past 2 years already. That is why it's important to stay diversified. And yes, I believe it's going to pump, but the question is when. We cannot predict, and that is why it's important to get into coins in hot narratives. I'm going to be talking about the coins I'm holding right now. First off, I'm holding DYOR. Look at how this coin performed. I got in somewhere... Wait a second. I got into DYOR right here, and we rode this towards the upside, you guys can see. That's why you must follow me on Twitter, because I actually update you guys about the coins I'm investing into, the coins I think are bullish. And yes, my links are in the description. Also, I have a private networking group. We are planning, at the moment, we are right now planning on how we could take full advantage of this upcoming crypto bull run. And if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out on some of the most crucial information in the market. I release weekly market insights and updates, and my members are benefiting from this information while you are not. You better join now before the bull run comes, because in due time, this Discord group is going 100% private. I will not be accepting any members anymore, and that is why you must lock in and save your slots right now by joining through our invite link in the description right now. And that's it. Talk with the community, plan, engage, and that's essentially what you need. You need a community, you need a network to prepare for this upcoming bull run, because that's exactly what we're doing. We're planning on how we could take full advantage of this upcoming opportunity. We're planning on how we could identify gaps in the market. We're planning on how we could multiply our investments. So back to my topic. Yes, I have invested into DYOR. You guys can see I got in right here, rode this wave towards the upside, and I have sold some, and now I bought back right into this dip right here, and I'm still expecting this coin to perform well, because coins that are performing extremely well right here right now are going to be performing well as the bull run comes also. Another coin I'm into right now is Inspect INSP. Now, this one has been performing really badly. You guys can see in the weekly time frame, you guys can see we have crashed hard to the downside. I believe that there is a support level right here. We could be seeing a bounce from here anytime soon. I'm also into RSS3. I'm into Rio. I believe Rose Oasis Network is going to perform well. I believe Aura is going to perform well. I'm heavily diversified, and I hold a lot of coins from hot sectors. So that's just a sneak peek into my portfolio. You can join my Discord server to see my current portfolio and how we're planning to take advantage of this market right now. But for Quant QNT, the price action definitely looks terrible, and I believe that it's still gonna pump, but it looks like it's more of a late mover right here, as like in the previous cycle. Every coin has pumped except Quant QNT, and at one point we just saw this insane run towards the upside. So yes, it looks like Quant QNT, the type of coin it is a late mover, and that's actually pretty bullish if you ask me, because we could take advantage of this. We could invest into other projects that would moon and would pump and give us returns on our investments. And once we take profits, we could invest into Quant QNT. Since this is more of a late mover, we could take advantage of this accumulation phase it is in right now and ride the wave towards the upside. So Quant QNT, I believe, is still gonna pump, but I believe it is a late mover in the market. I believe it will pump when everything has already pumped. People will be looking for coins that haven't pumped yet in the bull run, and most likely that would be QNT right here. So yeah, in the bull run, every coin pumps, essentially everything pumps. No coin is left behind, and I believe that Quant would be one of them that would also pump. But the thing is, I believe personally this is a late mover, and once people start to notice that this coin hasn't pumped yet while everything has already pumped, they would be seeking coins that haven't moved yet, and most likely the profits will be moving or would be rotating or flowing into Quant QNT. And I believe that the time for Quant QNT would come, but it's just a matter of being patient right here and being diversified to not risk your entire portfolio. So that is my thoughts, or those are my thoughts for Quant QNT. So be sure to join my Discord server right now, because again, like I've said, you're gonna lose once this bull run comes if you're not a part of a networking group. We are right now planning in real time on how we could take advantage of this market while you are not in it. We are releasing the essentials, the crucial informations in the market, and you are not benefiting from this because you are not a member. We're going private soon. We are closing the gates. We are locking the server up, and you must join before that happens. so act now.